Are you struggling to find the perfect balance between work and life? What if I told you that artificial intelligence could be your ultimate partner in achieving harmony? Welcome to today's video, where we explore how AI is revolutionizing work-life balance. Work-life balance is a challenge for many of us. We are constantly juggling deadlines, meetings, and personal commitments, leaving us drained. But what if we could offload some of this pressure?
Finding your balance, AI, and the future of work-life harmony. Millions are searching for that elusive equilibrium where they can excel professionally without sacrificing personal well-being. What if the key to this harmony lies in the transformative power of artificial intelligence? AI is already here, changing how we live, work, and interact. Get ready to discover how AI can become your ultimate partner in achieving a fulfilling and balanced lifestyle. The power of automation, reclaiming your time. Our days are filled with repetitive tasks that drain our energy and steal precious hours. AI-powered task automation tools like Notion, Trello, and Asana are revolutionizing the way we work. Imagine an AI assistant that schedules meetings, sends reminders, and organizes tasks, freeing you up for more meaningful endeavors. By automating mundane tasks, we can focus on what truly matters in our professional and personal lives. Your personalized time guardian, AI-powered time management. Time management is a skill we all strive to master, but it's not always easy. AI assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa are becoming indispensable tools for effective time management. These intelligent assistants can learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and integrate with your calendar and apps. Need a reminder for a meeting? Your AI assistant has got you covered. AI-powered tools can analyze your work patterns, identify time-wasting activities, and suggest strategies for improving productivity. With AI as your time management ally, navigate your day with greater ease and efficiency. Bridging the distance, AI and the future of remote work. Remote work offers flexibility but presents challenges in communication and collaboration. AI-powered platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack are transforming remote team interactions. Real-time transcription, language translation, and automated meeting summaries ensure everyone is on the same page. AI chatbots provide instant support and facilitate team-building activities, fostering a sense of community. With AI as your remote work companion, enjoy flexibility without sacrificing connection or productivity. Finding your calm, AI-powered stress reduction and wellness. Stress is an unwelcome companion in today's fast-paced world. AI-powered wellness apps like Calm and Headspace offer guided meditations, breathing exercises, and personalized mindfulness practices. These apps personalize the experience based on your unique needs, analyzing sleep patterns and stress levels. With AI as your wellness ally, cultivate inner peace and resilience amidst life's challenges. Unlocking your potential, AI-powered learning and development. Continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. AI-powered platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning curate personalized learning paths based on your interests and goals. AI personalizes your learning experience, providing targeted feedback and connecting you with mentors. Track your progress, identify areas needing support, and celebrate achievements. With AI as your learning companion, embrace lifelong learning and unlock opportunities for growth. So what do you think? Are you ready to let AI help you achieve the perfect work-life balance? From automating tasks to providing personalized support, AI is a powerful tool for a balanced, fulfilling life. Achieving work-life balance is a journey, not a destination. AI can be an invaluable partner, providing tools, insights, and support to thrive in all aspects of life. Let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate AI into your quest for work-life harmony. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI and self-growth.